My name is Tom, so I'm 39 this year. So I'm working as a facility coordinator.
I'm Maggie and I'm 36 this year. I work as a nurse. Some of our goals and priorities when choosing our house is location. It's near my in-laws and we both like in the east, especially in Tampines, so we decided to get a house here.
As I step into the house, the first thing that will come into will be actually the feature panel. Behind the feature panel is actually our sofa, bar counter, and to the left will actually be our dining area. Moving down will be our master room, our toilets and stuff like that.
So for me, I wanted more storage is one. I wanted a bar top table there as a dining area for both of us. Although we have Pinterest, like in social media, but that is what we see and we like it. In order to incorporate to our living lifestyle, I think our designer did a very good job in incorporating our ideas and every design, even to the first render, second render, we were like, wow, how to choose?
The choices were actually quite massive. In the end, we tuned towards the darker monotone. To me, it's more of a dark, cozy type of feeling that I'm trying to achieve. The bar is actually erected. It's literally in the middle of the living room. So first of all, our feng shui was saying that you need to have a backing behind the sofa. Our idea was like, since you wanted a bar area, why not make this part into a bar top table as a backing itself? Think of what you need and really try to run through your routine in life so that you know what is actually more important to you. You try not to overextend on what you are capable of and do away with things that you don't need.